How to use Steve AI to generate lots of great videos for social media and YouTube. Many online entrepreneurs struggle all the time how to get lots of great videos to grow their channels and monetize them on YouTube. In this video, we show you how Steve AI can help your business with AI-powered automatic video generation. It's something like an assembly line for videos. Create videos in literally no time. Just put in blog articles or text from anywhere. Pick a template. Steve AI will transform it into scenes. Suitable stock footage is added. Enrich your video with AI text-to-speech. There is an alternative: you can also do animation videos. You can put in scripts, links to blog articles, or even voice audio files. We start with a script. Here you put in your text and divide it into sentences. At this stage, you also decide if it should get a live video or an animation video. See here a short example script. We also check the boxes for music, AI text-to-speech, and auto highlights. This is a function to recognize the important parts of each scene. Based on them, stock footage or animations are picked. Now we pick a visual template. This is for the overlays. Next, I will show you an example.
Steve AI is a nice video creation software. You can use it to rapidly generate lots of videos and upload them to social media. Check it out.
For animation videos, it's more or less the same process. Choose a template and go.
Steve AI is a nice video creation software. You can use it to rapidly generate lots of videos and upload them to social media. Check it out.
As we've seen a nice output video from Steve, let's do a quick recap. Okay, suitable choice of stock footage, we need to help Steve sometimes. Much better choice of animations. Great AI text-to-speech. Appealing auto text overlays. Besides script to video, there are more powerful functions. Everything twofold for live videos and for animation videos. Option 2, blog to video, where you just enter a link to a blog article. The software is scanning the article then and makes AI suggestions how to transform the article into a script. After your choice what's best, you transform it into video. Pretty cool. You can also choose how long your video should get.
YouTube Video Maker. Record a video with a camera or smartphone and start editing. Try Steve YouTube Video Maker, with professionally designed templates that you can edit and customize according to your brand aesthetic.
To sum it up, we see 3 big advantages for you. You get lots of emotional, appealing videos with really low effort. You get good long and short videos to monetize them on YouTube or other platforms. The blog to video works best with animation videos that seems to be unique to Steve. Now, for some critical points. Be aware that you have to obey copyrights and laws. Set your highlights in the scripts right or you will get less suitable footage. The animated videos are not available in portrait and square formats. Also, we've tested some Steve AI competitors. Have a look on InVideo AI or Pictory AI too. Last but not least, we need to talk about the pricing. At first, you should really check the free trial to see if Steve resonates with your business and growth goals. If you have ideas how to monetize videos made with this software, you should pick a subscription for your needs. If you subscribe with annual payments, you will get a discount. Thank you for watching our short review. We hope you enjoyed it a lot. You can find all necessary links in the caption. Also affiliate links to support our channel and a disclaimer. Please follow Epic AI Tools on YouTube to make sure you don't miss great AI business opportunities.